Hey guys, this multi-purpose slicer actually has stainless steel wires. It is actually very easy to clean. I will show you guys how to do that here in just a little bit. And the other thing I wanted to point out is it is dishwasher safe. I'm going to show you how it's used on eggs and bananas, but it can also be used on other things like strawberries and kiwis and any of those kinds of things that are basically just light enough or soft enough to fit into those grooves with the stainless steel wiring. All right, I got them out of my ice bath, peeled them, and here comes the hard-boiled eggs. It went down nice and easily. I will suggest make sure you take them out this way. Don't lift up the wires because then obviously the egg will come with it. But there it is. They're all nice and even, and then even the yolks on the inside were split out very nicely as well. As you can see, here are two of them, and then it came right out. Here's what it looks like after I took all the egg out. As you can see, there's barely anything left to clean. All I had to do after this was just to rinse it under water and take a soft sponge to the stainless steel, and it worked perfectly. Here we are going to go ahead and show you how the banana works. I went ahead and split it in half just because that's the way that I am, but as you can see, I placed it down, pressed it nicely, and it is now magically in great shapes for my toddler whenever he wants to have his snack for his banana. This was also just as easy to clean afterwards. I opted to air dry it, but you could also put it in the dishwasher.